Hey Sahiti. Hi Sahiti. Why do you look so dull? What happened?
Before saying anything, have this coffee first.
Okay, sure. Now tell me what you're so concerned about.
I just completed my plus two and I don't know what to do with my future.
Oh, is that it? You were so interested in psychology. What happened?
Oh, yeah, I was interested in psychology, but what to do with my future in psychology?
There are so many career options in psychology. You could become a counseling psychologist, sports psychologist, health psychologist, industrial psychologist. You could become a trainee, and so many more.
Wow, psychology is a good option. I'm gonna apply for this program for sure.
Now let's get started.